Today I'm going to unbox my very first huge haul from Crafthaven Tumblers. I'm so excited to show you this video. If you're new here, my name is Allison, and every single week I post a Tumbler tutorial and do a live stream to help you become a more confident Tumbler maker and just inspire you to make beautiful things. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials that are going to showcase the tumblers I'm going to show you here today. As a tumbler maker, it is important for us to source our materials from a reputable place. You want it to check most of the boxes, right, of the quality and the variety and the turnaround time. What kind of stock do they have? How long does it take to ship? And all of those things when you're looking for a tumbler supplier. A little while back, Amy from Crafthaven reached out and asked if she could send me some tumblers for me to try out just to see what I thought. I was so impressed with the super fast shipping, as well as just the amount of variety that she has to offer in her store. And another huge bonus is that she sells CrystaLac products. So if you, like me, are a CrystaLac user, you can get tumblers and CrystaLac at the same time when you shop at Crafthaven. And of course, I fell in love with just about everything that Crafthaven has to offer, and because I love their company and the quality of their products, as well as Amy, who is the owner, she's a really great person. I can share a discount code with you. You can use alisoncrafts as your discount code to save 10% off on all of your future Crafthaven purchases. So make sure if you order and you try them out, use the code alisoncrafts. And if you're not sure what you want to order, let me go through all of the cups that I just got, and I think there's going to be some that you really want to try. So in addition to the amazing quality, and I can't say enough good things about the tumblers, there is just a very small touch that Amy includes with your order that I really like. She puts a sticker, let me see if I can get it to focus. She puts a sticker on each box that says exactly what's inside the box, right? It says Crafthaven 30-ounce camper mug tinted sliding, right? The type of top that's on there, and just it makes it so much easier to go find a tumbler that you need, or when you finish a tumbler, you can find the right box to put it back in. I don't know why it's hard for me, but it's just hard for me to stay organized, so that small little touch goes a really long way. Now, of all the tumblers I'm about to show you, there's likely a ton of other sizes on the website, as well as even more styles that I'm not going to cover here today. So make sure you go to check out crafthaven.com, and if you make a purchase, again, code alisoncrafts. I'm going to save my favorite style to the end, so make sure you stick around because it's amazing. So these are the skinny straights, and Crafthaven is the OG skinny straight. She doesn't put the stickers on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about taking them off. This is a 16 and a 20 ounce, perfect for a mommy and me, but there are more sizes available. These are the Hydro water bottles. We've got a 16 ounce and a 40 ounce. And I love the top situation. It does have a straw. And of course I need to check, does the Alison Sullivan adapter fit? Yes, it does, which is super exciting. Here are the modern curves. I've got the flat bottoms for a 30 ounce and a 20 ounce. And these are just really good everyday tumblers, really good style to carry. These are the traditionals. There is a 20 ounce with a flat bottom. I love this style, and so do my customers, so it is one that I always keep stocked. There is also the screw top lids, which are really fun for bling tumblers. I think maybe one of my future tutorials is going to have some rhinestones on that lid. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. This is the 10 ounce stubby, which I'm actually obsessed with. I've never done this style. I love the shape of it. I love how small it is, and I love the flat bottom. We've got the skinny can cooler, perfect for your White Claws or High Noons. And this is a 17 ounce wine glasses, which was actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I do like how much room there is to decorate and put glitter on, of course. And then we have Sublimation. Again, the labels on the boxes are just honestly such a great touch. This is a Sublimation camper, a 20 ounce camper mug that you can sublimate on, which I absolutely love that shape and haven't seen anywhere else. So I'm super excited to design something to go on that camper. And then something also very unique to Crafthaven is that she has matte sublimation tumblers. So this is just another like stubby size, and you can see the matte finish. I can't wait to show you what my sublimation designs look like on all of these and how they compare. So let me show you a side by side of the glossy and the matte. Can't wait to try these out. So by far my favorite style that I have gotten from Crafthaven are the camper mugs. I absolutely love that there's no seam on the bottom because that can show through when you make stuff. This is a 14 ounce and this is a 20 ounce, which are both really great options. Let me show you the 30 ounce. I can't even get it in frame. 30 ounce and a 40 ounce. You guys, there's a 40 ounce camper mug, which is just, I can't wait to make something with it. So if you want to see what I come up with all of these tumblers and my upcoming tutorials, make sure that you are subscribed. And I'm going to pull up my playlist about using CrystaLac on tumblers if you are interested in learning more.